Michael Sean McGore Jr.
Now, keep your hand up, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the complete truth?
Yes, sir.
You may lower your hand, Mr. McGore. Mr. McGore, you have ticket number 18514-130. The People versus Michael, Michael McGore, McGore Jr. On this ticket, sir, you're charged with one count of operating a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license. You also have ticket number, and that's in the city of Detroit. You also have a ticket P927531. You have 3 counts under this ticket number. Count 1 is a misdemeanor for failure to display a valid operator's license or not on person. Count 2 is a misdemeanor for driving an unregistered motor vehicle, and count 3 is a misdemeanor for improper plates. You also have ticket number P1197982. You have a misdemeanor for remaining in the park after park closing hours. City parks close in the city of Detroit at 10 p.m. and they reopen at 6 a.m. The ticket shows that you were in the park at 12:02 a.m. So the people have indicated, let's see, what do we have here? We have, did anybody talk to the state on here? Because I have to.
Yeah, Judge, okay. The offer on the state tickets is 1 count of failing to display with the dismissal of the no insurance and unregistered untitled motor vehicle, and as to city tickets to 3-month delayed and then dismissal the no op. Sorry, Judge. Thank you.
Okay. All right, Mr. McGore, on all of your counts, you have 5 counts. The city has said if you pled to one of theirs, which is the remaining in the park after the park is closed, if you pled to that in 3 months, if you have not picked up any other charges, that matter would be dismissed and that would not be on your record. You would have to pay the fine of $225. The state has also indicated that they have 3 counts, and if you pled to one, they would dismiss the other 2. So you would be pleading to 2 counts. One would be dismissed in 3 months, and the other one, the fail to display, that would be reduced to, oh no, that's what it would. No, the city was to fail to display. That ticket, you could pay it and it would be resolved, but that would still remain on your record for a while, sir. The other matters would be dismissed. So you'd be pleading to 2. One would be dismissed in 3 months, and the other one would be the only ticket that will still be out there as a reduced charge of fail to display. No, actually, it was written as a fail to display. That would have been dismissed if we checked the system and saw that your license was actually valid, but it is not. So you'll have that one out there on your record. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
How do you want to proceed today, Mr. McGore?
Will I be able to get on a payment plan? They got me on a payment plan for one of my tickets. I don't know if y'all see that or not.
Well, I'm not looking at that, sir, because how long have you been on a payment plan?
I just got on it. Went to a.
I guess I'm wondering, is that in a different city or something?
No, that's 36th District.
Okay, so I'm trying to figure out how you got on the payment plan for another ticket, but we didn't resolve all of these tickets because this ticket I'm looking at in my hand is 2018 and 2021.
I went to the road to restoration for driver's license clinic.
But I mean, I'm trying to figure out how all of these were not addressed.
I don't know. This is all I got, but like right here, I don't know if you can see that.
I can't see that, sir. And when did you do this?
Judge, you probably got into a payment plan on some civil infractions that weren't before the court.
9/13/23.
Yeah, see, I'm just trying to figure out how he went and got into a payment and he had some tickets that were outstanding that's still out here. So
Well, probably got into a payment plan on what he could, which was the civil infractions. And then he got a court date on the misdemeanors. That's what I'm guessing.
Yeah, I understand, but so when you went down to take care of that, did you have an attorney or anything, or you just went out there and said you were taking care of your civil infractions? Because it would have made more sense to take care of that and everything else you had outstanding at the same time.
No, it was like for anybody who had like tickets, I guess, and it was like I can't explain it. I just have all my paperwork for me. I came yesterday. What was that? Yesterday, I went into the court because I had missed my date, and they set it for today. But if I could have showed you that my paperwork and stuff, I would.
All right, sir. Well, the only thing I can suggest is we just go forward with this now. Out of the 5 tickets you have now, you're going to have one that's going to be dismissed in 3 months, and the one that you're just going to pay, and the balance. Let's see. Wait a minute. 1 second here. Yep, one you're going to be dismissed in 3 months, and one is going to be that's out there, but you're going to resolve that, or you can resolve that today as well. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, Mr. McGuire, I don't even remember what I did now, but on ticket number P11979982 on the date of May the 28th, 2021, were you in a city park at St. Aubin and Atwater in the city of Detroit?
Yeah.
And were you there at right around midnight, sir?
Yes.
You understand the park's closed at 10 p.m. So if you were there at midnight, you were there when that was illegal to be there at that time.
I know now.
Yeah, well, sir, one thing I have sometimes I tell people, I say, when you go back out to that park during legal hours, check to see there's signs posted when you come onto the park, and they're posted throughout the parks that says park closed at 10 p.m. So in any event, and they're closed until 6 a.m. So the court will find you guilty of that, sir. Your fine is going to be $225, sir. And the other ticket is let's see. On ticket number P927531 on the date of September 12th of 2018. Were you driving a motor vehicle in the area of Chalmers and 7 Mile in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
At that time, did you have a valid driver's license?
No, sir.
All right. Court to find you guilty of the charge. They didn't charge you for not having a license. They charged you for just not presenting one. So fail to display is already the lowest license charge there is. Court will find you guilty of that. The fine will be $225. So $225. So with the 2 tickets that you just did, you got $450. The 1 ticket being in the park will be dismissed in 3 months if you have not picked up any other tickets and had no other problems. So your review date for that ticket will be 3 months would be 90 days. That would be January the 2nd, 2024. On that date, sir, this matter will be dismissed if that fine is paid, because what's going to happen is we will look out there on that date. If the fine is paid, you picked up no other tickets, that matter will be dismissed. It will not be on your record. The other ticket, sir, that's not going to be dismissed. So you just have to pay that ticket. Just tell me when you're going to pay the other ticket, sir, and if you need time to pay it.
For the 225.
Well, yeah. Well, the other one I know has to be paid within 3 months for it to be dismissed. Why don't I just give you the same time frame to pay the other one? 3 months to take care of both of these. 3 months from today's date will be January the 2nd. So just make sure that they're paid on that date. Both of them are paid on that date. You can break it down any kind of way you want to pay in increments for the next 3 months, as long as on that date that January 2nd date, they're both are paid in full.
All right. What are they gonna do about the? I have the case number for the payment plan they put me on.
For the payment, no, that's got nothing to do with this, sir. You stay on your payment plan with that and you just pay these as well, sir. You got other tickets, so you have to take care of all of them. Those were not part of the payment plan. These were not part of the payment plan, so.
All right.
But I'm giving you the 90 days to pay it, sir.
All right. Understood.
Okay, and like I said, you don't have to pay it in a lump sum. You can break it down and divide it up over the 90 days, however you want to do it, just as long as that date, that 90 days from today's date, January 2nd, that they're all paid. All right?
Yep.
Both are. All right. Well, you know how to pay, sir, so good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're free to go.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. All right. It is 10:35 and we are done. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo.
You're doing it. Woo.
Yes.
All right, cool. Thank you.
Yay. Thank
you.
you.
See you at 1:30, Madam Court Reporter.
Sounds good. See you at 1:30. And Judge, have a great week. Oh, we have a,
Somebody want to come in now? What time did they miss their time?
Oh,
Phone number ending in 2052. What is your name?
Kevin Mahone.
Mr. Mahone, you scheduled at 8:30.
I know. I'm off time.
What?
You said what now?
I said I was off time. Just not getting up.
Oh,
So
okay.
got
Well,
about
we gonna
my
get-
court date.
Well, we're gonna give you another date so you can get up on time and be in court, sir.
Why I can't do my date today? What's the
Because you
difference?
missed your court time, sir. You
How,
did. You
so I
wasn't-
can't.
We're
y'all
giving you
still
another
doing
date,
court,
sir.
though?
What?
No, actually, we're finished.
What?
you know, sir, you are talking to the judge, you know.
No, he's gonna be in contempt in a minute, and he's gonna spend some time in jail, and then we'll have him here to do his court
Man,
date.
how I'm gonna spend the time? I'm trying to pay my stuff.
You should have been to court on time. That's on you.
So I can't pay it?
We don't, this is not court where you come when you want to come, sir. We have lawyers out here for you and you don't come on time. You're not here. You missed your date. You're gonna get another date.
All right, when?
Madam Clerk,
Okay.
huh?
30.
Sir, you're gonna get another date to come back. Come back on October the 27th. That's 30 days from today's date. You're scheduled for what time, Madam Clerk? 8:30?
8:30.
8:30.
Why
Be
is
here
it
on
that time,
time.
Judge?
If you're not here on time, you're gonna miss your date again, and then you get another date. We
Why
don't
is it that far though?
what?
Why you put it so far back?
Because we have other people that's scheduled for these other dates. We have you all spread out. That's why you have to come on your date and your time. We're not gonna just crowd it up for somebody else, sir. Everybody else comes on their date, their time. We're putting you out there and putting you out there where we already have other people. So you be here on time and you don't have to worry about that.
But I got all my paperwork and stuff ready. Like,
We'll see you on the next date, sir.
I don't see what's the difference of me going like we can continue.
Because you missed your date. If you did things properly and on time, we would have taken care of it. You would have been done already.
I disconnected him, Judge.